Today we are doing exercise 11.1, question number 6. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in the terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for the flying time in minutes. Now let's do it. Now this is question 6. Bird flies. First of all, we are required to write bird flies in 1 minute. It is 1 kilometer. Now we are required to find bird flies in T minutes. Then here you are required to write 1 multiplied by T. So you are required to write T kilometer, because whenever any alphabet multiplied to 1, then there is same alphabet. This is question number 7. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. How many dots will her rangoli have for r rows? And how many dots are there if there are 8 rows? Or how many dots are there if there are 10 rows? So one by one we will calculate all of these. Question number 7, 9 dots in a row. So we are required to write dots in a row equal, a row means 1 row is equal to 9. Now it is asking for the r rows. So we will write dots in r, small r rows is equal to 9 multiply r is equal to 9r. Then dots in 8 rows, 8. This is also asking, then 9 8s are, we will multiply 9 by 8, 9 8s are 72, and dots in 10 rows. We are required to find 10 rows. Then 9 multiplied by 10, it is 90. Now this is question number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be x years. Now let's do it. Now in question number 8, it is given that Radha's age is x. Then we will write Radha's age is equal to x years. Then Leela is Radha's younger sister. Then Leela's age 4 years younger than Radha. So younger means smaller. So we are required to write x minus 4. This is the age of Leela in terms of x minus 4. Now this is question number 9. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to the guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make? Now let's do this question. Now it is given that in question number 9, mother gave laddus equal small l, left laddus. After giving laddus, 5 laddus are left, so left laddus will be 5, and total laddus, you can see, if we are finding total, then we are required to add then L plus 5. This is the number of total laddus. Now this is question number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes to smaller boxes. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill to smaller boxes, and still 10 oranges remain outside. if the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x. Now what is the number of oranges in the larger box? Now let's do it. Question number 10. This is given oranges are to be transferred from larger to smaller and the large box is emptied. They are filled into two smaller boxes. Still 10 oranges remain outside. Then first of all we will write oranges in one small box is equal to x. Now it is going to be filled into a large box to two smaller boxes, or still 10 oranges are left. So we will write oranges in large box. Means two small boxes are filled, means 2x, and 10 are left, and 2x plus 10. This is the capacity quantity of oranges in large box. In question number 11, first part, you can see, look at the following matchstick patterns of squares. The squares are not separate. In A part, you can see 1 square, in B part 2 square, in C part 3 square, in D part 4 squares. And the number of matchsticks are used, and one common matchstick is there, means in A only 4, in B 7, in C 11, or in D 15 matchsticks are used. Now we are required to find the rule for this figure. Now this is 11th A pattern. Here you can see first one is for 3 are fixed and 1 is common. So you can see we will write formula as for this. Here you can see these 3 are fixed. This and this is fixed in all the patterns. Like this. Here you can see. And one more. So formula we will like that 3n means 3 are fixed and 1 is more. So 3n plus 1, if we apply n is equal to 1, then we get 4. If we apply n is equal to 2, then it is 7. Or here we will write here n means number of squares. So in this way you are required to write it. Now it's 11th B part. In figure 11.7, a matchstick pattern of triangle is given. Find the general rule that gives the number of matchsticks in the terms of number of triangles. Now here you can see in the first figure 1 triangle 3 matchsticks are used. In B 2 triangles 5 matchsticks are used. In C 3 triangles 8 matchsticks are used. And in D you can see 4 triangles and only 11 matchsticks are used. Now we are required to write a algebraic rule for this. Now this is 11th B part. For making triangles, then you can see 1 is in common, so 2 are needed and 1 is common, so algebraic expression for this is 2n plus 1, or here n means number of triangles.